Welcome back, my great subscribers, to Vampire again today.
Okay, now let me leave the screen so that you can focus on my phone screen.
So guys, for the latest new update now on Hamster Kombat for the airdrop that will be listing on the 26th of September. Now for the withdrawal section, you can now connect your OKX wallet exchange to be able to withdraw. Just click on withdrawal and you see this option here. I believe you must have seen it. Now what this basically means is that for early OKX, that means right now, because OKX is the first one that is added here, if you use OKX, you can go ahead and connect, and I'll show you how to do that. Meanwhile, if OKX is not your choice, do not go ahead and connect it, because other exchanges will be added here. For example, when you look at this place where they wrote exchange, mine for example is Bybit. So if you want to see all those ones, if you click on the one that is yours here, just beside this, you see all the available exchanges: Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, BingX, HTX, KuCoinGate.io, MEXC, and BitGet. So right now, the first one that has been added there is OKX, and I will show you. If you are from these countries, please do not use OKX because it's not allowed. There are some issues with some African countries, so find out if they are not anyone that has issue with your country. Don't download it. Not just OKX, but right now we are talking about OKX. Now let's get back to the airdrop section. Just click on airdrop for you to see what I'm talking about. So right here on this page, if what you selected is OKX, which will also be written here if you selected OKX, what you simply do is to click on this place that they wrote OKX early birds. Now if you are from Nigeria or any other African country that OKX and the government have issues, don't bother doing this, so that you won't be making costly mistakes. Even Binance, don't also use Binance because there are some issues. Now if you watch right here, OKX exchange, faster, better, stronger than your average crypto exchange. Register. Now watch what it says here. September TBA, that's TBA, that's to be announced. Off-chain deposit starts, that is, you can deposit here by September TBA off. So that means this will start by September and also end by September. Now September TBA OKX confirmation deadline. So all this will start and end by September. So if OKX is part of what you have selected for your exchange, pay attention to this. Meanwhile, if you don't use OKX, you also need to pay attention to this so that immediately the next one comes up, you watch how to do it. Now it goes further to say this is really important. Look right here, it says complete your KYC to get the address and memo for an off-chain deposit. So that means if what you connected here is OKX, like in mine, you can see Bybit right here, you simply have to verify your OKX KYC to get the address. You get, that's when you can connect it, because if you're seeing this memo right here, you're practically going to be connecting these two stuff together. And right here it says off-chain deposits will be enabled soon. Yes, and we all know that. Now the next thing you want to do right here is to click on register. So right here in this page it says registration on the OKX exchange. Please use your referral code to register. Okay, this referral code must be from Hamster Kombat. Okay, so that means if you're registering with OKX, this referral code, this is the same referral code will be here, because Hamster Kombat is actually have a particular account in OKX, and now they added their referral link here. Now click on the copy icon so that when you click on register again and the page opens, when you get to where they wrote referral or your code, you paste the code. Okay, so right now it will take you to the OKX website. Okay, well, you can see right here, even though their site still have issues, you get okx.com, join and look at that referral code of Hamster Kombat. Now you'll be checking this site for when it will connect. You get when it will connect. If you use OKX, if you don't have need of OKX and the rest of that, just know that yours will be added soon. Okay, so when it opens, what you simply do is to add your phone number, your country, your email address. You verify your email address. That is where the verification comes in. Right now you have to be ready. If you don't have the document that will be needed for this verification is your ID card, and not just any ID card, but an ID card that is approved by the federal government of your country, FGN. Okay, any country you are in, like your voter's ID card or your BVN or your driver's license, or such federal government approved document. That is what is required, so you have to get it ready. And now wait for this, keep trying this. Any moment it is able to connect, you go ahead, register, and it's just that simple. So just be aware that this is adding up, and I'll be giving you more frequent videos of how to actually be prepared for this, especially if you have now gotten a lot of profit per hour, lot of balance and the rest of that. So more new videos are coming up. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss the next update.